June 26, 2018. Got quite a few to the downside today and a few to the upside. The morning is slightly green on the SPY, and we'll see. We'll see what happens today. Gonna take a short here at the ask on JKS here, if it gives it to us, at 1321. HRT X, let's take a look at this thing. It's climbing, down for the day, but daily is really strong. So we're in something. We're in JKS, just got in it. Let's take a look at it. We're in for 100 though, that's it. Spread is big, so we'll see. We're in for 100 shares. Daily looks good for a short. It had a big drop about a month ago or so, and it consolidated. Then it started picking up last week sometime, but today it got hit. So intraday gaps down, being bought up a little bit here. I think it's just going to turn around and shoot back down. But, all right, we're full in at 1321. It's squeezing right now, but it's a low price stock. It shouldn't move too much, but the spread is big. So market is going down right here. So I'm thinking this is going to turn around and come right back down. Spread is big. It's 10, 11 cent spread, 12 cent spread. So we'll see. Stop somewhere above 1350 and target somewhere below 13, depending on what the stock does. MOMO looks good here for a drop. Going to try to get in at the ask if it gives it to me. We're in. We're in at 45.90. Daily has been strong about 2 weeks ago, and then last week it started to drop. Started to drop. Intraday today gaps down, and now it's it opens and it flushes right all the way down here. Now it's trying to get picked up down here, but it's kind of got a bear flag forming here, and it's more than likely going to turn around here and go down below 45.50 probably. But stop is it's a big stop. It's way up here over the open here. All right, it's coming our way. Target, we'll see. I'd like it below 75 if possible, but we'll see. We'll see how it plays out. Market is going down, so we should get some tailwind here. Let's take a look at JKS. It's not really doing much, but it's oh, here it comes. It's coming down, but it's not a huge mover. So once it goes below 13, I'm going to take it. If it goes below 13. JKS, I'm going to take it down here for about 40 cents or so. Broke the 1310 area and just shot straight down. So I'm going to take that opportunity to get out real quick before it bounces back. Low price stock, so, and it's a big spread, so the spread wasn't too big at the moment. So, but it's probably going to drop some more, but that's all right. I'll take that. 40 cents. LEN, I'm going to take it here at the bid for a long if it gives it to me. And we're in. We're in at 52.76. Daily is okay, nothing special. But intraday gaps up. Oh, it's already coming our way. I'm just going to, we'll revisit that after. Let's just see if we can get a quick trade here. We're in at 76. So if I can get it at 98, that'll be great. I'll take it. Here it comes. Just a quick 20 cents if possible. Here it comes. It'll probably blow through it. Here it comes. And we're out. We're out for about 22 cents or so. Take that. Let's go look at MOMO. MOMO's working out too. MOMO, let's bring this up close, see what's going on here. It's trying to go our way here. But look at the market. The market just woke up. One big fail swoop. Just woke right up. So now I got to be careful with MOMO. Actually thinking about coming out of it. But it is down for the day. We'll hold off. We'll hold off a little bit. SPPI, I'm going to try to pick this up at the bid here. It gives it to us. Nice support area there for a long. We're in. We're in at 2105. Day looks good for long. It's been uptrending. Little consolidation period here. Then today it catapults way up to 24 pre-market, and then it gets sold off because it's up there. So intraday gaps up, opens and gets bought up all the way up to 21.75. Then it gets sold off right about closer to 9 here. And I think it's going to get picked up here. Look at the size of this green candle. So there's buying pressure there. So if we can get enough people buying right here, this thing should shoot up. Let's take a look at this thing up close. MOMO is not looking so good. I should have got out of it. I really wanted to get out of it, but then I didn't. Let's take a look at here at SPPI. It's at entry. Market is green. Let's take a look at MOMO. It's not looking too good. MOMO. Everybody that was short down here got squeezed out of the position here. And we'll see if the rest will get squeezed here. Oh, SPPI. Let's go take a look at that. Yes, I'm going to come out of this up here. Let's see if we can get that right up here. At 2132. It's not going to go. Let's bring this up close. Just a little bit more here. All the buying stopped. You know what? I'm going to try to take this at the 16 here. I don't like it anymore. Alright, we're out. We're out for about 10 cents or so. 11 cents. Oh, and now it goes. I should have waited. I didn't see any volume. So I was thinking it was just going to turn around and fall. Guess I was wrong. It's probably going to shoot up now. Let's go back to MOMO here. MOMO is not looking so hot. So starting a flag here. But look at this trend. Look at this downtrend here. That's pretty strong. Downtrend. So I'm thinking it's just going to blast through this area here, get rid of the last of the stops, turn around and go right back down. Especially if the market turns around here. So I'm going to hold off for a little bit. Hasn't given me a chance to get out yet. So, it's just been squeezing directly all the way up here. Got no red candles here, so I'm not going to get out yet. Probably get out with a loss on this one, but we'll see. MOMO, still squeezing. Still hasn't given me a chance to get out. I hate when that happens. Right when I came into it right here. Let's take a look at this thing. Came into it right here, and I was actually in the money for a little bit. Thought about taking it, but I said, nah, this thing's going to drop. Boom. Shot right up. Now, I should have got out right here. This is where I should have got out. But I didn't. Because I still think this thing's going to drop. This was the grand finale of the squeeze here. Then it's going to turn around, just like the market is. It's going to come right back down to here and drop. That's what I think. But I'm down on it over a point now, and that's not nice. But it hasn't stopped um, going up yet, so just as easily, see there's a big candle here, we can get one just as big if not bigger down. So mostly because of this. Look, it's just downtrending now. So more than likely this thing's going to drop. MOMO, finally, it stopped squeezing and it's coming back to us. But yeah, I'm going to have to think about my next move on this one. If the market continues to go down, I'm going to stick with it. But if the market starts to go up, I'm going to have to get out of this one. Somewhere around here, my original exit point, which would have been over this high right here. So about 75. I'm fine with getting out at 75. But I think it has a good possibility to come down just because of the daily. Look, it's just downtrending now. For this thing to turn around here, it's going to need a lot of buying pressure. And unless the market has something to offer, I don't see this thing going up. MOMO, it's coming back to us now. I'm going to have to seriously start thinking about coming out of this one because the market's waking up. So I'm going to come out down here at the bid if it gives it to me right here. You know what? I'm going to hold off. I'm going to hold off and wait. See what the market does here. MOMO, let's take a look at this thing. It's at my stop now. So now I got to start thinking, do I get out? Do I wait? I'm thinking about getting out of this one. And we'll see it. Yeah, I'm going to get out right here. See if it'll pick me up right there. Alright, we're out. We're out for a loss of about 75-80 cents on this trade. Yeah, market's looking like it's gonna pop the top here. And if that starts moving, then most likely MOMO will shoot up. So I'm going to take that opportunity to get out because the stock has been strong. It's downtrending. It's below the 20, above the 200. So it's a good chance it'll turn around here if the market goes up. So it's better to just get out and take that smaller loss. It's still a big loss, 80-cent loser. But, you know, I could have got out up here. LEN, I'm going to take it here at the bid if it gives it to me. All right, we're in. Second trade on LEN. Nothing special on the daily as far as if you're just looking at it. But if you really analyze it, it was down yesterday below all these areas, all these support areas. And then today it just blasted up all the way up here to 54, close to 54. That's a big jump, you know, from where it was yesterday. So intraday gaps up, gets sold off right at the open, and then it starts being bought up all the way up to almost 54 again. So it gets sold off again. Now it's in this area here. Now I'm thinking it's going to get bought up again here and shoot up at least back to 53. I'm thinking, you know, I like to get at least up to 53. Stop should be right below here, 51.80. It's a good size stop. But market's going up, so that should help this one. Now if I'm patient, I think I can get at least a point on this one, but I'd probably just take 30 to 50 cents. And that's if it doesn't go against me right away. If it goes against me right away, then I change the game plan. LEN, let's take a look at this thing up close. It's starting to work out for us. Here it comes. But the market's getting down there, so I'm gonna try to take it right here at the 74 if it gives it to me. And we're out. We're out for about 20, 22, 23 cents or so. I'll take that. IQ. I'm going to take it down here at the bid if it gives it to me. All right, we're in. We're in at 35.14. Daily has been super strong. Past few days, it got hit pretty hard. Intraday gaps up, has a little sell-off, and then buying pressure just shot it right up, and then it sold off for a little bit, and more buying pressure shot it all the way up to 36. So now it's sold off. Of course, it's up here, so it's going to sell off for a little bit. And once it hit this area here, it got me interested. You know, I was thinking it was just going to hit the 35, find support, and shoot up. Well, it didn't. It blew past 35, and now it's gone down here, hit all those stops. I should have waited, but I didn't. I got excited. But now it's blown past through all the stops. So I'm thinking now it's going to turn around and shoot up. I'd like to get at least 35.40 right before it hits the 35.50. I'll take like 35 cents off of this one. Stop. Oh, yeah, it's got to be below here somewhere. You know, maybe even lower. Only thing that scares me is this sell-off here. But there's a lot of buying pressure today. There's a lot of buying pressure, so we'll see. We'll see what happens with this one. Keep an eye on this sucker. IQ, looking really bad here right now. But as you can see, this is where all the buying pressure came in, right here. So anywhere from here to here should see a pickup and bring it back up. That's what I'm thinking. If not, it's going to be a big loser. Oh, it's dropping some more here. Now it's making me nervous. Hasn't given me a chance. So we're looking at probably a loss. Unless something dramatic happens around my original stop. Yeah, I'm not going to get out down here. Because if I get out right here, chances are this is going to turn right back up. As you can see, it's starting to wake up. And as soon as it does, everybody that was short from here will start covering. Because they're in the money, right? And bring this sucker up. I hope. But if it doesn't continue up, I'm going to have to get out of this thing. Probably somewhere below 33.85, which will be a really good size loss. IQ. All right, found support. That's where I should have picked it up, below the 9 there. But it was below the 9 when I picked it up, just not as below the 9. So now we're getting a squeeze here. LEN, I'm going to take it right here at the bid, if it gives it to me. We're in. We're in at 51.94, second trade on it. Looks good down here. It's been selling off, and it just broke through the lows of the day a couple of candles ago, and now it's starting to go up. So I'm thinking if the market turns around here, which it might because it's at yesterday's close, should bring this one way up. LEN, it's not looking too good. It's at our stop area, 51.50 area. So we'll keep an eye on this. It'll probably break through it a little bit, and then it'll shoot back up. Unless the market decides to drop, then this thing will drop too. Might be a good size red day today. We'll see. Hope not. LEN, still just sitting around this area. Haven't had a chance to come out either with a loss or a gain on it. Let's take a look at IQ. Same thing. It's just slowly sticking around this zone here. So I think it's just waiting for the market to do something. It's slowly grinding up, but no volume really. So we'll see. LEN, let's take a look at this thing. It's working out finally. Bring this up close. Thinking about coming out of this one just because I was losing on it quite a bit. So I'm going to take it at 11 if it gives it to us right here. Oh, it's not going to give it to us. You know what? I'm going to hold on. I'm going to hold on and see. Next time this thing goes up to 210, this thing is going to blast off. So I'm going to wait. Hold on. LEN. I'm going to take it right here. Didn't even give me a chance to think about it. I was watching it and it just started to skyrocket. Wow, and it's still going. Look at that thing go. Oh, everybody that was short just got the hell out of it. Wow. You know, I got about 35 cents, close to 40 cents on it, so about 35, 36 cents. I'll take that. I was losing on it. That's a big, fat green candle. Let's take a look at that thing back here. Look at that. That one candle took out this whole section. This whole section down here in one candle. Wow, that's a heck of a squeeze. One left here, IQ, and this one's just, this one's really being a pain. You know? I thought it was going to go back up here, but it didn't. It dropped some more. You know? But the good thing about it is it found support right here at the low of the day, and it just started going up. So, you know, stop has to be right here at low of the day. IQ, starting to wake up a little bit here. So with a little bit of luck, this thing will shoot up, and you know, I'll probably get out with a loss on it, but I'm going to see if I can get out with a smaller loss, unless this thing spikes up, which it can. IQ, it's looking good here. It's coming back to us, finally. I should get out here with a smaller loss here, but I think I like this one up more. IQ, it's looking good here. Let's take this thing up close. I'm probably going to come out of this soon. Here it comes. I'm going to take this right here at the 15 if it gives it to us, just to come out even. Like to see it shoot up there. Bring this thing up close. Here it comes. Should hit it right now. Here it comes. And we're out. We're out. And it's still going. Just got out of IQ, and wow, it's still going. Look at that. But it was a safer bet to get out at entry. And look at that, still going. It was a tough trading day today, you know. I first or second trade, I was down quite a bit, and took this trade. This trade, it got me down over a point on this one too, or about a point. Point's over a point, and it finally came back to us, and I got out at entry, and it's still going. I would have got 20 more cents here, or 15 cents. It's probably going to keep going, but that's okay. It was a tough trading day today, but that's going to be my last trade. We're up 68. Let's take a look at the trades. Mostly winners, mostly small winners, but I had one really good size loser on MOMO for about 80 cents or so. And my biggest winner was JKS. And that's it. Thanks for watching.